Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're gonna be looking at the market, right? Crypto market status. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. So let's go see what's happening here in the market, right? Andrew, what's up, dude? BL, hi. Johnny Blaze, how's it going, my friend? Why are you washing your hands? I don't get it. Maybe you went outside, maybe you touched something you shouldn't have, but washing your hands, thanks, I guess. Hand washing emoji, yeah, I'll remember that. Prepare for war. Yeah, you love the emoji. Yeah, the market's just one big pile of dung right now. Let's go see what's happening in the market. Oh my goodness, it's so bullish. We have bullish divergence. At least we haven't dropped below the previous low, right? That's the only good thing. 1.7 trillion, need to overtake 1.75. In the middle of an area where if we don't get above that 1.75, we're aiming for 1.56. We also broke out of a larger triangle that gets us all the way down here to 1.19 trillion, right? Are we happy? Not really. All right, let's keep moving. Let's go check out Bitcoin. The Bitcoin trying to go up right now after having a crappy day yesterday. Losing 2%, but we are below 38,214, so it kind of sucks that we weren't able to hold it. I was really hoping, had higher hopes for Bitcoin. Trying to hold a little bit better, right? Yeah, market's good for like short-term trades, longing or shorting with some leverage. Because it's the only way you can maximize the impact, right? 2% move is not a lot, but you know. Bullish divergence, almost double bottoming of sorts, right? On the 4 hour, we're going to see that. Neutral at 40 on the R side, nothing else happening here. We're just going to check where we're at with regards to other stuff, but we're also above that 37,300, which we're holding. And again, that is an area that I will be looking to exit some of my positions upon breaking that area. And yeah, let's go see this one here as well, because we are, I think, breaking out of that upsloping channel. But now we're breaking on a weekday, right? Not on a weekend, but on a weekday. So we are breaking a lot of things down. I don't like that, right? It just feels crappy. It's not the most bullish sentiment out there. I'm not bearish still. Not super bullish. We'll see. Big on the 4 hour, right? Bullish, action to upside, nice, pumped, right? We got a rally, great, high to low, positive was positive, high to low. We didn't have anything here. We're moving down. Again, weakness. We had bullish divergence. We're not taking advantage of it to pump higher. That just freaking sucks, right? Here, low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. So nothing bullish. We're very close to an area that we could consider this to be a sort of double bottom. Just wish we had something bullish for it. I'm not going to call it a double bottom yet. I'm not sure if that is what we're going to be developing. But for now, all I'm going to say is it's starting to look like this. It's starting to, right? For that to happen, we need to get a recovery and get above that 38,861. Then we can start talking about a potential double bottom. But for now, it's just kind of starting to look like one, right? But I don't like impulse down, upsloping consolidation. Could get another leg back down, right? Maybe create some bullish divergence. Don't have to come too low. You can come here or here and still be creating a sort of double bottom. Neutral 41.36 on our chart. Oh, look at that. We are dropping more. Oh, guess what? Jack crap. Coming in lower, more negative momentum. Also lower on the R side. Neutral at 40.71. Nothing bullish. Also nothing bearish, right? I mean, just weakness in the market, indecision. That's stuff we've been talking about for a couple of days now, right? There's really not a lot happening in the market. Let's jump on to Ethereum, because there's really just not a lot going on. Ethereum 2,794. Hi, man, dropping a bit. So Ethereum took a drop 2.67. I don't like the fact that Ethereum is breaking that 2,789. We broke it yesterday. We had to confirm closing above today. And we do have bullish divergence, but same thing with Bitcoin and with the market, right? We're coming lower, but not as low as the previous low. So therefore, we could still get that action to the upside to play out, right? So neutral at 41.54. For our chart, man, bullish divergence, got our pop, nothing bearish, right? I don't think we had anything bearish here. What was the high here? 1035. 1059. All right, some hidden bearish here. good. Bearish divergence is barely there, man, right? Potential fraction downside moving down, breaking below a support. Right now trying to reclaim it, and we're going to have the 20 moving average immediately there. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 44.59. 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we have nothing. Nothing. Coming in lower. Warning of momentum. Lower on the other side. Not even a pseudo double bottom. Nothing cool, fancy, and nice for Ethereum. It's just, yeah, not really there, man. The market's not there. Neutral 42.08, right? My neck still hurts. Let's go check out ADA. Particularly some moves. If I go like this, I can start to feel like that little thing in the back ends up a lot. It's crazy. So I'm glad the chair kind of shifts, so I can shift with it. Also, I'm printing something really cool. It's gonna take a couple of days to finish printing. But when I finish it, I might show it. It's gonna be amazing. When I finish doing everything, the whole process, sanding it, painting it, etc. It's gonna be cool, man. It's gonna be cool, man. On the daily. Oh, bullish divergence. How nice. Again, same thing as the rest of the market. Having a crappy day. Held a little bit better than Ethereum, to be honest, right? 1.28% downside. Sitting at 77 cents. Sold at 33.46. Right, look here. Bearish divergence. Moved down. Oh, rejection of that 20 when we were looking at it whenever yesterday, 2 days ago. Guess what happened? That just went to there, that just went to there, and that tracked to there. Still have hidden divergence. And we're moving down on it. Oh no, below the 20 1 hour chart. When we were looking at this on May the 1st, so 2 days ago. Oh, tomorrow's May the 4th. Oh. May the 4th be with y'all. Bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction downside. Oh no, are they gonna dive? Oh my goodness. We dope. Lower. Morning momentum lower on the other side, strong bearish, nothing bullish to help us rally. Again, just following the corn, impulse down, upslope consolidation. Not the coolest looking upslope consolidation. It looks like a reversal, kind of. Consolidation would be more like this, right? Or, yeah, this could be sort of consolidation. It's just too steep. It looks more like we're trying to recover and then maybe go for at 20. We'll see. All right. Bear. Okay. Let's go look at the bear. What the mer's up with this, man? What's mer, man? Oh, look at that. We take the drop lower than the previous 100% low. We're trying to get back above it. Oh, that move. Get us above that 786. All right. And rejecting. Not good. Now, some kind of bullishness going on here. Is there some kind of bullishness going on here, man? Come on, man. Something bullish. I mean, not all hope is lost. Not the most strongest bullish sign, but strong bullish divergence. I say not the strongest because it's not coming from the previous island. It's just within the same island. But yeah, getting some action to the upside. Nice. Sold 37.28. I think what we're going to find here is going to be the shorter time scales. Dude, we want higher. Yeah, slightly higher. More positive and higher on our side. So here it's good, man. Right? Here's good. No reason why. Nothing bullish here. Nothing bullish here. 1 hour chart, man. Is this thing doing anything bullish? Lower, more negative momentum. Lower still. No, probably in the daily. Just taking that pop from the daily. Nothing bearish, right? It just went up too high, too fast. Same move, right? You can see that recovery happening. Boop, boop, boop. And now this is a reversal, right? If you're like, this is no consolidation, right? And now, if you remember when I was looking at ADA, that's telling you guys, look, it looks like kind of like a recovery. Now I just inverted the chart and I said it's not a flag because the flag would be more. This looks like a kind of recovery that's gonna hit that 20. Well, MER is doing the opposite, right? Look, right, it's coming down to meet that 20, right? So it's like the inverse ADA. MER, we'll call it doppelganger opposite ADA. Kidding. I'm not gonna say that name, it's too long. Bouncing at the 20, you're very close to it. So, nothing bullish for now, right? Daily had the bullish rejection, right? If we are to refib this, go from this high point to this low point, right? You're gonna see that we got to hit up that 236, and we rejected that zone, right? So, just remember. Not sure what you want me to look at here. War, man. Lol, it is Mirror Protocol. All right. It's opposite data. It's an inverse data. I'm not sure if what you're saying is real or not, but it looks like it's just doing the opposite of ADA. Right. You're shorting, you want to know if you should get a 20 bounce? Yeah, probably. I'm not sure, man. I mean, if you want to look at some quick fibs, we'll probably consider this a low and that the high and just see where we're at, right? We're breaking below at 382 and we're struggling to get back above it, right? Should be you know, the 20 or the 50, right? 1.11. If we break there, it's only gonna try to go for that 618 at $1.08. But for now, just say, you know, be careful. There's really not a lot going on here. Getting above that 382, good chance he might try to do a reversal and start to climb back up. But for now, I mean, yeah, it looks like it's at a bounce area, right? It's at a 20. He doesn't have anything bullish. Also didn't have anything bearish to tank, so. All right. Getting above this area and confirming getting above this area. Probably should pull out. If you stay within this area, a good chance you might be trying to come down here, maybe try to break that 20, then go lower still. But for now, I mean, it's just really, there's really no technicals behind this lot, right? So there's no like cool patterns or anything like that that we can look at. And just trying to bounce, and it didn't have anything bullish. Sorry, guys. Not on the 4 hour, not on the daily, right? On the daily, oh, sorry, on the daily we did have bullishness. Oh, look at that. Bullish divergence. We pop. All right, so the atom. Where's Atom at? 17. All right, I'm not gonna go in depth here. I just want to see. Oh, look, it's tanking. Oh my goodness, bullish divergence strong. Just look at the rest of the market. It's just sucking at holding it. We haven't done Link in a while. The Link, my friends. Link at $11. Oh my goodness, it was a 15 a couple days ago. What happened to it? It just sucked major. Look at this. Oh no, bullish divergence. Just like the rest of the market. Oh my god, are we gonna pump to the upside? No, we're not. We're just flying sideways. Sold at 31.81 per hour chart. Coming in lower, slightly lower. 5,000 years later, it's still lower. It's like the bullish divergence is just not playing out, right? We're going from negative to positive, and here we have it against our side. Here we want to anchor to an island of negative momentum, right? This kind of works, and we're getting above that 20, so not all hope is lost. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Could be trying to expand them to the upside. That would be nice because we have the bullish divergence, so we should be looking for a movement up. Neutral 46.55, the 1 hour chart. Low to high, more negative. All right, some hidden bullish here. Guess what? Hidden bullish divergence, Without the potential for rally. Against MACD, against the RSI. Neutral 56.81 again. Looking for that bounce, getting above that 20 moving average. Very nice move here. Nothing bearish for now. Awesome. How's the XHop AP coin doing? XHop, hey, here we go. It's 81 cents. Look at that. We're bouncing between that 63.36 and that 58.72. So cool. What?
Near, please. Thank you.
Yo, dude, thank you very much for that. Much appreciated, my friend. Awesome. Thank you very much for the kind of some donation, man. Yes, we'll do near, right? Let me go check it out. I was just looking at XRP real quick, seeing where it was at. Where the near at? Where? Where's the near at? The near is here, man. At $12.30. Oh my goodness. What have we looked at here in the past? We have some fibs. All right. Let's extend this fibs. From way down here. Maybe we should just riff fib this right now. I'm gonna try to riff fib this. Might make more sense. I'm gonna consider this to be the low, and that to be the high. There we go. There we are. I'm gonna try something. Near is near here. There we go. That's close enough. So we're getting a bounce at that 786 after doing a deep retrace from the low to the high. Oh no, we're coming back down. And we're finally supported, right? A deep retrace zone and getting above that 618, and right now trying to hold and move farther up. So this looks like it's trying to attempt a sort of recovery. So we should still see it trying to get above 50%. Yeah, 382. Just watch out. There, we might try to face some rejection here. There's really nothing here that is bearish right now. So from here to where we're at, right? I'm just gonna check back here, see what we had. Oh, we had some bearishness back here. Oh no, look at this. From here to here, and it's already played in the past. So here to here, not here. Here to here. From here to here, there was some bearish divergence building up here. Moving is down, right? Moving is down, right? So we'll see what happens here. Low to high. Again, some hidden bullish here. Hidden bullish divergence. Look at that inverse head and shoulder in here. We just never followed up with it, but since we got it, look at that, how beautiful it played it upside. Oh my goodness, we detected this a while back. On March. We just haven't come back to it. Some good stuff happening in here. Again, hidden bullish, getting that reaction rally or that bounce happening at a key area of support, which again is good. It's good. Along with that, again, hidden bullish here against the RSI as well. Neutral 41.45 on the RSI. I mean, it could go either way. The price perceived to be as a fair value price for the asset, not being it's not oversold or overbought. Kevin, what's up, dude? Right, let's keep looking at this. Oh, guys, I'm gonna have to adjust here. My back is killing me. Back, why must you betray me? All right, here we go. Bullish. Great. So bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, right? We started to get that rally, and you can see that struggle happening right here at 618. We got above it finally, using it as a support, right? So good area. Here, there is a tiny break here that I'm gonna ignore. It's just almost negligible. They're almost non-existent, right? So I'm gonna ignore them. Then on the other side we don't have it. But bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, starting at that rally. And now within this island, and from the previous island as well, right? So from here to here, and then from here to here, right? I'm gonna draw this here in a second. It's from here to here, and then from here to here. So we're having hidden bearish, stagnating a bit. Now we're trying to go higher. Now we're trying to develop strong bearish, right? Strong bearish divergence for potential moving down, right? With that again, potential fraction to the downside. That's certainly going to start exerting pressure on the price, and we might not see it get to that 50% retrace at 13.01. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now. If this does happen to get above that 50% and goes above to 382, I think that pop is going to get us to where we go higher. Then we're no longer going to have any kind of divergence within the island, but this hidden divergence is still going to certainly be tracking, right? So I recommend inversion, hanging upside down for your back. That's what they're saying. All right, might try it out. I'll figure out a way to invert myself somehow. Can I do that here? Ha! Look, I have inverted. Ha ha ha! It's not doing anything for my back. Let's just go back to normal. There we go. I'm not sure if that even showed up here on the stream or not. I was messing around with this. I'm trying to see if I'm trying to see if that hurt. Here we go. Some bearish divergence strong. The short term we don't have a lot, right? So the short term move here is not a lot. Just going higher, coming in lower. That bearish divergence strong enough. Pressure in the price. We're trying to see the candle come down. Low, higher, low, negative momentum, less negative momentum, and low to high as well. I'm trying to see if we have anything else cool that's going on here. I don't see anything as far as like, you know, head and shoulders, a cup and handle, like no other kind of cool looking pattern, like, you know, through rising values or things that we look for. Just kind of like, you know, chilling, trying to rally with some bearish divergence starting to build. Vincent, how's it going, man? Or just hanging from your hands and make sure to drop names. What? I have nowhere to hang here at the house, man. Gala. Alright, we're gonna do Gala in a second there, my friend. Ooh, alright, dude, MM, thank you very much for requesting this coin, man. Thank you very much for the kind and awesome donation. Right now, again, bearish divergence is gonna put pressure on the price to make it move down, right? That we have that here on the 1 hour. 4-hour chart, bearish divergence as well, right? We might see that pressure take hold, travels back to X618. And then the daily, right? The daily, it's bullish, hidden bullish. So that's what sparked the rally. Right now it's trying to continue, but that divergence is going to put pressure on the price. Again, this candle is to right now, right? Even if we go here, we had it to this candle, right? Had to this candle. But I will just say right now, this candle, 4-hour candle, still has 2 hours and 20 minutes to go. Depending on how the candle closes, right? Could drop, and we're no longer going to have it so long as it drops below the closing here at 12.11. Otherwise, we're looking for this bearish divergence to potentially take hold and maybe move us down. Man, much appreciated. Thank you very much for the kind awesome donation, and much appreciated. Alrighty, let's go do Gala. Gala. Where's Gala at? What is Gala? Galahad? Is that short for Galahad? Is it like an idle round table coin? And there it is, the round table coin. Here we go. Who we're gonna do next? Lancelot coin. Bullish Divergence strong potential for a rally. Not really getting it, guys. We're not getting the rallies right. All just what we're doing after the drop is moving sideways. Neutral at 33.37. Oh no! Oh, sorry, not neutral. Sold. Oh no! Should looking for a bounce at 20 at 17.38. 4-hour chart, man. There we had some bullishness. Look at what happened. Oh, no, we reached it to the 20. By the way, we actually kind of got rid of it. So no longer there. We did have bullish from here to here, though. So that's gonna, you know, flip to here. Do the itsy bitsy spider move. You know what the itsy bitsy spider move is? That's what I call it. When you go like this, and you're like the itsy bitsy spider when it the water spout. And you just swing it. Not really such a move called that. That's just what I call that. Coming in lower, more negative momentum, and lower still. I know, that's it. Look at this, hidden bearish divergence. Oh, what? Hidden bearish divergence had a key resistance at 20 moving average. Oh, are we gonna get above it? Are we gonna get above it, sir? We don't know. We don't know. We haven't hit bearish, so putting pressure on that price, right? And we dropped a bit, but it looks as though we're trying to hold, right? Maybe the 1 hour has something. Nope, lower, more negative momentum, lower still. Nothing there. Higher. Bearish divergence strong, potential for action downside. It's starting to go down. That's it. There's really not a lot here. Kevin says, I sold over 100 different shite coins. I spent 500 on each, cashed about 5k. Shite. Okay, manish now. Oh, dude, you still have over 100 coins. Yeah. I'm not even sure the market's done with the dumpage. There was stuff on Twitter. There was talk on Twitter. I'm sure if you guys got to see this one, but Plan B said, oh no, stuff happened. April closed RSI at 52. Will we drop below 50 like 2011, 2014, 2018? Or will RSI go less deep because it was not a very high? The top was not very high, less than 95. Now that RSI 45 would imply Bitcoin at 26K, 26K, 61K, around 0.43. Light blue dot. So, light blue dot somewhere around here, yes. Yeah, what do you guys think, right? What do you guys think? You guys think that's what we're gonna do? Drop to around that, you know, the below 50 on the RSI for Bitcoin on whatever time scale we're looking at here? You know, live Bitcoin, I guess. So, when I look at this and when I see this, all I think is like, wow, dude, this bro, Plan B is like a, you know, Bitcoin maxi, like big time Bitcoin. And you know, he's even talking about if we go to the 45 RSI for Bitcoin, on the macro scale of things, we are looking around 26K for Bitcoin. Man, I would definitely not want to see that. I mean, I would definitely want to add there, but I would not want to drop there with my bags. Well, I would definitely want to sell my bags before dropping there so I can add with the same amount more, right? So, Blocktopia just announced their NFT sale. Pumping hard! Tree City West, what coin is Blocktopia, my friend? Alright, so that and this tweet was also interesting. If your goal is to be a successful trader as a career or for supplemental income, it is essential to be trading as a marathon, not a sprint. What matters is next year, not the next trade. And then the year after that, and each successive year. Yes, that is true. Oh no, what happened there? Things shifted. Alright. Blocktopia. You gotta give me a ticker, my friend. Tree City West. I'm not sure what Blocktopia is. Okay. Version Crypto, what's up, dude? Sterling, how are we looking on Bitcoin? It's not the best. Not the worst. Chilling sideways, trying to bounce. Not really getting any bounces. We have Bullish Divergence, but we're not dropping lower than where we're at for the Bullish Divergence, which is good, but you know, it's just there, man. Block. Oh, look, Blockbuster. We never looked at this. Is it pumping hard? It should pump it. Should pump it hard. All I see is it go down, man. Block net. Probably not the block I was looking for, right? I'm not finding it here, man. Block toe. Yeah, it's not here, man. What do you think about the Fed meeting tomorrow? Dude, I have no clue. You know what? I haven't really been following up with what's going to happen at this meeting. Are they going to talk about, like, you know, hiking rates or something? Or, you know, lowering rates? I don't know. I don't even know what they're going to be talking about. I have really paid zero attention. To be honest, I haven't even seen what they're going to be talking about. So, I cannot give you an informed decision, Carson Crypto, because I have not been keeping up with what the Fed's going to do tomorrow. Hiking rates, people think 0.5. Yeah, maybe. DJI, how's the DAO reacting? Oh, look at the DAO. Huh. It's dropping a bit. No, it's trying to recover, actually. Alright. I'm not going to give you anything bullish for now. Anything that we had was bearish back here. No, not even bearish. Huh. Right. Let's go look at gold. AD, double hawk. When do you have a relief rally? And then a crash. Maybe. Alright, a lot of high negative let's down, let me get down. Gold. Oh, look, indecision gold. Oh, interesting. Is this Divergence still holding? What is this? 1002. 9. Alright, that still goes there. And still have strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Hopefully we get a rally, man. You know, if they high rates, people might go into gold on it. West Texas oil at 103. That's where it's been for the last couple days. So $103 per barrel. Do it. Bring facts. What is up, dude? Oh. I'm not sure. Like, what is that little face? I'm not sure if it's like this. That is awesome, my friend. Thank you very much for being here, man. Much, much appreciated. Well, it's not going to move much until China opens back. Yeah. You can see what we're doing here, right? Like, kind of like a triangle. It's not going to be the prettiest looking triangle, but it is sort of like a triangle, right? Right. Something like that. It'll just go on. Maybe very little like this. You know, somewhat of sort of triangle, right? Consolidation. Not the cleanest looking consolidation, but something like that. Y'all hear about Citigroup tanking the Scandinavian index 6% because of a fat figure trade? No, I didn't. That is kind of weird. Mad. Yeah. Where do we look at that? Can you give me the exchange? Because I have no clue. Then we looked at them once, but you know, hell, guys. I mean, too many exchanges to look at, so. Right. Man. MMF, all right. We had looked at something here. We had a downsloping channel, if you remember. Oh, guess what? We're still on a downsloping channel. It's just larger. On the daily. Look at that. It's just taking a massive drop. Y'all remember I told you guys I wasn't sure about this asset because we haven't had a history. Oh, look. We're making lows and lowers. Nothing bullish. 4-hour chart. Bullish divergence strong, starting to develop. It's not going to work here, so... Gonna let me? Alright, it did. Alright, cool. From here to here. I don't think this one has divergence, by the way. Just against the MACD. Bullish divergence strong. Potential fraction to the upside. Starting to get a sort of rally, but struggling with the 20. Finally getting above it. And we are immediately creating some hidden bearish. I'm not sure this hidden bearish is going to put a lot of stress on the price for now, but yeah, it looks as though it could go down based on that. You know, we're struggling to get far away from that 20. Nice. So not really seeing a lot here, Carson Crypto, right? You do have something bullish. Should be looking for a rally, but it's not, you know, I'm not seeing strength behind this. Also, volume's kind of dying out, right? If you look at the volume they had before, here and here, volume's kind of like, you know, dropping. So this pseudo rally had no volume behind it. Here, even here, man. Look, sideways in the price and coming in lower, right? That'll be weak. Sorry, medium bearish divergence. Medium bearish divergence usually tells us that we should be expecting moving down again, going for that 20, trying to bounce from it, but not the cleanest move. A lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands. Hopefully, we can get something bullish out of this, but not really seeing a lot here, man. At least not for now. Thanks for asking for this. Friends, you're setting out to range. Ah, nice. Block is on KuCoin. Is it? Oh, I didn't see it here. Oh, Blocktopia. Here it is. Oh, that's weird, man. I wonder why we didn't see it earlier. Alright. Blocktopia. Oh, maybe because I put a CK. We have looked at this in the past. Look at it. It's just so bad. We had bearish divergence. We're just taking a massive, massive drop. Someone said it's pumping on news. Wow, it just pumped 16%. But, you know, when compared to the macro, it just looks like a tiny speck of dust. Bullish divergence, right? That's good. Within the same island, not from the previous one. Fifths are not going to do us any good because we're at the lowest, right? So if we go from high to low, we're not recovering yet. Short-term fibs maybe from here to here. Are we doing a valid recovery? Not even here on the short-term fibs. All right, well, let's go to the 4-hour. Bullish divergence strong. Potential for action to the upside. Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do? Starting to rally. Nothing bearish here. For some reason, we just flatlined here. It just looks awkward. High to low, low to high, right? Some bearish divergence developing here. Strong bearish divergence. Potential reflection to the downside. All being bought at 63.87. Not the strongest indicator, but looks like we're topping out. Maybe the 1 hour is going to look with divergence as well here. Yeah, look at that, right? Divergence is way lower there. The divergence, right? That moves it down. Bearish. It's at the bearish divergence, sir. By the way, you guys can't tell. It's coming from right here. I mean, that's it, dude. There's really not a lot going on here. I can't get out of here. There we go. Yeah, we are coming lower, and then here we're coming higher. So bearish divergence against the MACD, and the RSI potential for a movement down, right? Again, that is the best guess we could have as to where the market is going to go, at least for block, because there is bearish divergence that's putting pressure on the price. We know when there's bearish divergence, we tend to see trends stagnate, maybe come to an end, or a standstill of sorts. So we could be looking for a potential movement down here on Blocktopia, right? Again, that's a quick one. Not a lot, not cool stuff happening here, right? No double bottoms, no cool, quirky little patterns or anything like that. No cup and handles. Just bullish divergence on the daily, bullish divergence on the 4 hour, and some bearish divergence on the 4 hour, and then bearish divergence on the 1 hour, man. Right? Not even getting near that 20 moving average, but we shall see. We shall see. Rock on, dudes. That is awesome. Man, what are we gonna do? Yeah, I can't wait to get this sprint off the bed, man. And this is gonna take a couple more hours. This thing has been printing for almost a day now. It's gonna print for about a day, and it's at a day and 2 hours. Based on where it's at, I would say it's gonna be more than a day and 2 hours. It's gonna be more like a day and 7 hours, maybe. It's a long print, and then I still have 2 more prints that are about like 16 or 19 hours each. So they're gonna be like 24 hours, I guess. Hopefully I can have everything printed by the weekend. And then I can put it all together and hopefully it'll fit. If it doesn't fit, it's just like this I'm gonna have you all to try on and then see if it fits. And if it fits, it's gonna be cool. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to reprint. And that's gonna be another 20 plus hours, man. That's a bad thing about making stuff that, you know, you're supposed to wear. That's gonna be awesome. Deer season. Get some of that deer jerky, man. What are we gonna do, man? Let's go back to the corn. Let's see where it's at. Is it trying to pump? Is it trying to dump? Is it trying to hold? 37,880. 37,889. Not a lot, man. Just, come on, Bitcoin. Just can someone poke Bitcoin, make it pump or something? Help me poke Bitcoin. Maybe we'll poke it together. You'll wake up and move up. Move up in the world. It's just been a weird freaking day, man. So, guys, I think it's gonna be a stream for tonight. I enjoy being here. It's awesome to be here every night. To be able to come here almost every night. But I think I'm gonna have to call it a stream for tonight. If you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button on the sub, right? Join us on Discord. So if you're trying to leverage, what strategy you would use? Man, that's a good question because I'm not trading leverage right now, but I'll be looking at MACD. If I'm on a long, I want to be looking for MACD strategy entries, right? Getting crosses, MACD over signal line below the zero line, and you know you have to get above that 200 moving average. That's the case, and I'll be looking for a MACD strategy entries. I'll be looking for patterns, right? Either that are bullish or bearish. I would just not be going with swings, right? So for a short, I'll be looking for double bottoms. All the way up here where there's nothing. Sorry, not double bottoms. For shorts, I'll be looking for double tops. And I would be looking for, you know, heads and shoulders. Or I would be looking for, you know, 3 falling peaks. You know, things that tell you the market's still going to go down. Right? I'll be looking for inverse cup and handles, right? Inverse cup and handles. If I were to look for longs, I'll be looking at the opposites of those patterns, right? So I'll be looking, you know, even if it's just candlestick patterns, you could, in theory, just trade based off candlestick patterns. And I'll be looking, you know, for, you know, if you're gonna short, you know, 3 black crows, or, you know, 2 tops, or any, you know, any kind of, you know, evening stars or things like that tell you the market's gonna go down. If you're gonna long, I'll be looking for morning stars, true white soldiers. You know, here I'll be looking for, you know, or even Marvazoo candles, right? Bullish Marvazoos. Maybe even going for some bearish, bullish engulfing candles, right? If you're gonna go short, bearish engulfing candles, but you know, inverse head and shoulders, cups and handles, double bottoms, right? You know, I'll be looking more for patterns, 3 rising valleys, right? I would usually be setting up for high returns. I would also be looking at a lot, particularly if you're just gonna be playing it short term. I'll be looking at the shorter time scales, shorter time frames. Let me just go to a chart. Maybe this one. Let's say you're in the 5-minute. I'll be looking at quick targets, right? Because you're gonna be using leverage. So, this line here, right, on this coin. Why? Because, you know, here was support, here was resistance, right? So you have a sort of line that's been respected, and you know when you go there, you might find resistance. So on a long, I'll be looking to maybe close there, breaking up on that line. You know, maybe look farther back and see where your next area of resistance is going to be. And you know, there's probably something around here, right? There's a line going through rejection around that same area. So if you're longing it, if you break above that area, then you might be looking for that 80 cent to be a hit. You know, just looking for small gains that get, you know, potentialized because you're using leverage. Same thing on a drop. I'll be looking, you know, for support areas where you might hit and try to bounce around. Just things of that nature, right? Anyways, that's what I would be looking for. if I were to be doing longs and shorts for now. But guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Again, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like, the bell, and sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're not just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. On that note, guys, I'll be here tomorrow. So I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.